Number 1. GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL with 1 gallon tank. Opal Nugget Ice, the good ice. Serve up chewable, crunchable, craveable nugget ice that's ready fast and retains its flavor, unlike traditional hard cubes. Refreshing nugget ice is made from compacted ice flakes and is perfect for your favorite beverages. Water tank. Eliminate the need for an outside water source with an attached water supply for ice. Number 2. EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with handle. Quieter energy saving. Our countertop nugget ice maker excellent at refrigeration while running at less than 50 dB noise, ensuring a comfortable and quiet environment for working or sleeping. With its low energy consumption of about 3 kWh per daily, you'll save more on electricity bills while enjoying refreshing drinks. And by choosing our ice maker, you'll wow your guests before they try delicious sonic ice. Number 3. ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Ice Lumix Full Color Panel. Industry first display with vibrant icons, real-time TDS and temperature. Smarter control, clearer visuals. Ice making has never looked this good. Advanced double-layer insulation. Keeps ice colder 20% longer with upgraded thermal insulation. More cooling, less melting. Efficiency meets everyday convenience. Simplify water refills. Ice access. Pull-out water tank streamlines refills and cleaning. Easily remove. Number 4. Gevi KNOVA Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Savor the ultimate ice experience with the Gevi Nugget Ice Maker. Its slow-melting, chewable nugget ice is perfect for enhancing your favorite drinks without diluting their flavor. Whether you're hosting a party, unwinding at home or working in the office, this nugget ice maker provides soft, crunchy ice that's easy on the teeth and perfect for all occasions. Number 5. Gevi version 2.0 Countertop Gemi Nugget Ice Maker. Also known as pellet or chublet ice. It serves up flavorful, chewable, crunchable nugget ice that's ready fast and retains its flavor, unlike traditional hard cubes. Previously only found in stores, now enjoy it fresh from your countertop, anytime. Gevi Nugget Ice Maker dimensions: 17.3 inch L x 9.7 W x 16.7 H. Please ensure your countertop has adequate space before ordering. If you have a... Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.